Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Silent Very on Cube Tech Solutions. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to connect to our inbuilt database DB using NetBeans. I remember last time how I told you guys that we're gonna be connecting to our database. The reason why we need to connect to our database is because the contents of your registration, whenever you register on a page, that information has to be stored in a database somewhere. So last time we created our user interface for our application for registration page, and what we had was just an application or a user interface that does not connect to our database. So today we're gonna create a dedicated video that will be able to send this information whenever you press your submit button. So alright, so what you have to do is to actually create our database and connect to it. What you have to do is to go to our services, or you can find our services right here in Windows window, and you can either do that or just type Control 5, then you get to our services window. So now what you have to do is to right click on this, then create database. Alright, we can give our database, let's say, users. Or we can say our app users, and let's give it admin as the user. Administrator, let's set our password to mypass123. Alright, mypass123. Well, it is good to go. You should remember our password has to be mypass123, or else it will not work. Alright, now that you're done with this, what you have to do is to check our properties right there. You'll see your database URL. Copy it. Now that you're done copying that, let's close this. Alright, what you have to do is navigate back to our project, and let's create a new class, and let's call it DB connectivity. Alright, and now inside this class, what you have to do is to create a constructor, DB connectivity, and without no parameters, we have to create our connection. Con is equals to our is equals to driver manager dot get connection. Now the first string is our Press our URL. Let's paste that URL that we copied, and the second string has to be our username. Our username was administrator, and our last string has to be our password. Now we had our password is mypass123. Right, let's terminate that. What we have to do is to import the connection, and then let's put this inside a try catch statement. Alright, so whenever the connection is established, let's make the system to print connection successful. But if there's a problem with the connection, let's have our system tell us that there was an error connecting to the database. Alright, now that we have our database set and our DB connection set, we have to navigate to our main class, which is login fx demo. This is our main class right here, and before launching the argument, let's create a connection. Right, well, we had our DB connectivity, and let's name it con1, and it has to be equals to DB connectivity. Sorry about that. Now let's terminate. Everything seems to be is fine. So the last thing that we have to do is to navigate to our libraries and right click on that and add library. The library that we have to add is called Java. It is called Java DB driver, and add that library. Now that it is added, what you can do is clean our project. After cleaning that project, let's run it and see if it works. If it works, it has to say connection successful. Alright, here it is. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and tell us in your comment section what we could improve on our videos. On our next video, we're gonna be creating our SQL queries using the database that we have just created. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in the next video.